Hello and welcome. Ujjayi Pranayama, often called as Oceanic Breath or Victorious Breath, is the soothing yet heating technique by slightly constricting the glottis at the back of the throat. The practitioner creates a soft, audible sound similar to the waves of the ocean. It is the only pranayam that can be maintained throughout an entire physical asana practice. With that said, we'll get to the technique. In this segment, we'll explore the Ujjayi Pranayama. The Ujjayi Pranayama primarily involves a soft constriction to the back of the throat. For most people, it seems very unnatural. What does a soft constriction mean? Pretend you are trying to fog up a mirror to clean it. So you're using the air from your throat to clean it, and so you're making this ha sound against it and fogging up that mirror. Do that same action, but with your lips closed or sealed. So the air exits out through your nostrils. Another way to explain that is to sip a drink through a straw. So it's that same motion of creating a little soft constriction in the back of your throat. In this case, instead of you're sipping the drink, you're allowing the air to inhale through your nostrils. One very characteristic aspect of the Ujjayi Pranayama is the hissing or a little raspy breath that you will experience. The breath has a soft, audible tone to it. So watch for that and you should be fine. Let the breath be natural. If you feel a little unnatural, if you feel out of breath, take a moment, return to normal breathing, and we'll continue again. So, having said that, sit up on a nice, comfortable seat here. I'm sitting on a blanket here. You can do this even on a chair, but make sure that your feet are on the mat. Relax your arms, elbows close to your side body, rest your wrists down, close your eyes, and begin with normal breathing. One more breath in. And breathe it out. Now maintaining a soft constriction to the back of your throat, inhale. Complete your round you're on with an exhale. Gradually return to normal breathing. Relax the back of your throat. The ocean-like sound of Ujjayi is your constant anchor. With every breath, you remain victorious over the distractions of the external world. Take a moment to like this video. Leave a comment about how you felt about this practice, how it helped you in your day today. And also, most importantly, subscribe to my channel. This way, I can bring such informative content regularly to you. Thank you so much and namaste.